I'll be Prepper Texas here. I'm going to show you my EDC, basically a pocket dump. There's my knife. It's a Smith & Wesson SWAT. It's just good for everyday carry. I really like the grip on the side. Not always a big fan of serrations, but it works, and sharp enough to do anything I need daily, and it works. Also carry a Streamlight micro stream right there. You can see it's a lot of wear. The clip has started to bend out a little bit, but this is still the original AAA battery in there. It's got decent brightness, just one mode, but works great for carry. Watch every day. I carry this Casio, and it's actually solar power. There's no light in it, but this thing has lasted forever. I got this for $10, and every day it's there. Of course, my cell phone, which I'm recording on, I'll have that with me. I just started carrying that Coast. This is the G10 light, another single A one, but really like that. I just normally put that in my pocket. Of course, my car keys as well, and here I have the little stream light down there. That's the Nano. And then some glasses. I'll carry those. Always have them here in sunny Texas. Have those. If I'm going somewhere where I can conceal carry on every day, lately I've been carrying a Ruger LC9. This is my crossbreed holsters. Really good stuff there. And then also I carry 2 extra mags on the other side, and I'll carry those whenever I can. But that and my phone is really what I'm carrying on my person. And once again, only these two if I can carry at that location. If it's going to be somewhere where I can't carry, I'm not going to wear that. I also got crossbreed holster belts. I spent a good deal of money on these belts, but very well made. This is what I'll wear almost every day. Great stitching, great all around on it. If you wanted to put your own buckle on, you could. I just leave it on the standard, but very good. Holds up real well, holding the holster or anything else I need. But that's it for my EDC. Nothing special. I mean, these are cheesy Remington glasses, but you know, what works works. You know, a lot of people carry $100 knives. You know, I think this is $40 or whatever. You know, who needs a fancy watch? This thing, never had to mess with it ever, and it keeps running. 2 little flashlights. You know, it's just what's in your pocket. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed that. Thoughts? Let me know. Bye.